Hi, my name is Daisy Flores and I am part of Conservation Corps at Long Beach. And right now I'm part of the Short Corps program, which we've been focusing on the climate resilience right here in California. We've also been placed into internships, and the two internships that I chose were with LA Waterkeeper and with Holdfast Aquaculture. Within these two internships, I feel like I was able to build some skills that I will be able to take further into my career. I chose LA Waterkeeper as one of my internships just because of the fact that I would be out on the boat for a good time. And I love being out on the water, and it also really combines a lot of what I want to do in the future. We were monitoring marine protected areas, monitor the MPAs, but also I would sit in on a lot of policy decisions. So it was a lot of law and community science as well. The second internship that I chose was with Holdfast Aquaculture, just because I was also interested in the regenerative ocean farming and how it can help with food insecurity. A lot of the work that I was doing, larvae counts, algae counting, water changes, I just feel like it's important to know the sustainability and the process of how aquaculture is used. Overall, both internships have been meaningful experiences, and they both really tie into my future plans in urban planning. The skills that the conservation helped me build before entering these internships were just being able to be hardworking and also giving me the knowledge. Through getting the Cal-Naturalist certificate, it just really helped maintain that base knowledge like of the ocean, of aquaculture in general, just the science behind everything. I feel like really helped build the foundation to help me become a part of this internship.